Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Old paper MCQ series part number 7. Which reforms introduce separate electorate for Hindus and Muslims? Minto-Morley reforms, Montego reforms, both. Correct answer: Minto-Morley reforms decided to separate electorate via elections between Hindus and Muslims in 1916. Who inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan? Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah inaugurated the State Bank of Pakistan. Where is Warsak Dam of Pakistan situated? Pakhtunkhwa, Peshawar. Warsak Dam is situated in Peshawar, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. बगलें झांकना से क्या मुराद है? मायूस होना, गुनाहगार होना, शर्मिंदा होना। बगलें झांकना से मुराद है शर्मिंदा होना। The 1962 Constitution of Pakistan was passed during the regime of Yahya Khan, Ayub Khan, Sikandar. Correct answer: Ayub Khan. The 1962 Constitution of Pakistan was passed during the regime of Ayub Khan. Pakistan's first coin was issued on 3rd January 1948. Pakistan's first coin was issued. What is gutter margin in MS Word? Margin that is added to the binding side of page when printing is known as gutter margin. When was National Anthem of Pakistan played on the radio for the first time? 54. Pakistan National Anthem played on the radio for the first time 1954. What is the keyboard shortcut for creating a chart from the selected cell? F11. F11 is used in keyboard to shortcut for creating a chart. How can you access the font size tools on formatting toolbar? Control plus Shift plus P. When you press Control plus Shift plus P, then the font size tool is selected. Which is the outermost planet in solar system? Neptune. Neptune is the outermost planet in our solar system. Long side defect could be corrected by using convex lens. Long side defect could be corrected by using convex lens. Deficiency of vitamin A result in night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A result in night blindness. In this disease, the clear image of patient could not see in the night. The lifespan of red blood cell is 20 days. Roundabout lifespan of red blood cell is 120 days. महानामा कौमी ज़बान किस सरकारी इदारे का जरीदा है? अंजुमन तरक्की-ए-उर्दू। महानामा कौमी ज़बान अंजुमन तरक्की-ए-उर्दू का जरीदा है। The average adult has a blood volume of about 5 liter. The average value of blood volume is 5 liter. The most densest substance on the earth is density of most on earth is osmium substance. गोलर का फूल खिलना मुहावरा है, इसका मफहूम है अनहोनी बात होना। गोलर का फूल खिलना मुहावरा है, इसका मफहूम है अनहोनी बात होना। रूहे इकबाल किसकी तसनीफ है? डॉक्टर यूसुफ हुसैन। रूहे इकबाल के नाम से किताब जो लिखी गई, ये डॉक्टर यूसुफ हुसैन खान ने लिखी। Instrument used for measuring very high temperature is called pyrometer. Pyrometer is used for high temperature measurement. GPS is an abbreviation of Global Pole System, Global Positioning System, Global Polyselenium Store. Correct answer: GPS is an abbreviation of Global Positioning System. Oxidation is a chemical reaction involving the loss of electron. Opposite of oxidation is reduction, यानी gain of electron is called reduction and loss of electron is called oxidation. Salman complained dash my father against me. Salman compete to my father against me. Which shortcut keyboard is used for italic? Ctrl plus I is used as a shortcut in MS Word for italic wording. शायर रुमान अख्तर शेरानी का असल नाम क्या है? मोहम्मद दाऊद खान। शायर रुमान अख्तर शेरानी का असल नाम मोहम्मद दाऊद खान है। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।